Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Here your device is of course informing you what it will actually reset, so just tap on reset network settings, and here you've got the warning that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset network settings, and as you can see we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.